I bet everything could be unlocked until 1 because of this. Thunderstorming really loud. Sorry I woke up so early. I won't avoid so early. I have to go do stuff today. But I'm almost done. So I have to just brush my teeth, brush my hair, change my paint. I'll show you guys. And I won't be making vlogs, so I won't be making YouTube videos like this for a while. Only Animal Crossing stuff. I'm sorry I can't make vlogs. Because I don't have my pony. What's happening with me? I don't have my pony handler with me. She's in a box. We're moving to, that's the problem. Listen. Oh. Do you see that? Freaking out. I don't want to look outside. And we have to do stuff today. Like, I go to the bank or something for like an hour. We have to go in a car. Okay. We have to go somewhere. I mean, doctor for me as well. I wonder about that. They're not done. Let's say it, Dims. Really taking. Well, that's it. Remember, like, subscribe, follow me on Pinterest, Google Plus, Devinar. I have no idea what I have. I'll make a script on that. And bye.